Here are the apparatus of this experiment. We have a large pot filled with more than 10 centimeters deep of water. We have a red bin that's here, we are going to use as our object. And we have a ruler and the measuring tape measure. This is the tape measure. And we have a masking tape and the pen and the paper to record data. Here I have this beginning of the lab report prepared. As we said in the lab write-up, we are going to measure 5 lengths. Okay, so now first here is the dog that's trying to participate. You put the pot of water on the floor and you drop the object or red bin to one corner of the water. Okay. Yeah, you may want to push it to the side of it. And now you get your masking tape. I'm going to get my masking tape and I will walk away from the pot until the red bin is right at the edge of the pot or just be blocked by the pot. I'm going to stand here, look at the red bin, work backwards until I just not able to see the red bin right here. And mark the position of my eyes. Okay. So here is what you will see when you walk away from the pot. You will see the red bin, and as you go further and further, at one point, the red bin will be blocked by the edge of the pot. Let's zoom in to see. You can still see the red bin at this moment, but when you go a bit backwards, furthermore, see at this point, the red bin is right at the edge of the pot. This is the position that you need. Now I'm going to measure the distance from the red bin to my eyes, horizontal distance. So I'm going to start my tape measure at the red bin. And make sure you want to view it from the straight ahead. Yeah. Now. So this is about 115.75 inches, and I would say plus minus half an inch. 115.75. Write that down on my paper. 115.75 plus minus half an inch. Another distance we are going to measure is from the edge of the pot. So here where it's blocking the red bin to the same position of the eyes. So I'm going to take this one. And here is the edge of the pot. Well, actually, I'm going to use my masking tape to tape the tape measure to the floor. Okay. This. So this one is almost I would say 107 inches. And still plus minus half an inch. So 107. Well, 00 plus minus half an inch. Now we are going to measure the heights. First is the height of water. So you get a ruler. My ruler is pretty nice because this ruler starts from 0. If your ruler has an edge on it, you would have to measure how wide the edge is and add it to your measurement. But for me, the reading will be the height. So here is the height of the water. That is about 10.9 centimeters. So this one is relatively accurate, but 10.9, I would say maybe 2 divisions of uncertainty, plus minus 0.2 centimeters. Next is the height of the edge of the pot. So we're going to measure the edge of the pot, which is right here. That's 17.7 centimeters. So this is 17.7 centimeters. But the uncertainty, I will give it a bigger uncertainty because the thickness of the bottom, there is some thickness of the bottom, so I will say plus minus 0.5 centimeters. The last thing we need to measure in this lab is the height of my eyes. So to measure that, you can just stand by a wall and say, here is the height of my eyes, and mark that with masking tape. And now we are going to use our tape measure to measure the height. Measure to the center of the masking tape. That is 60.75 plus minus, this uncertainty is smaller than the horizontal distance, so I would say 60.75 plus minus 0.25 inches. That is the last piece of our data, and now we are going to move on to calculations.